When you enter a sauna, your skin temperature rises to about 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees, and your core body temperature increases by 1 to 2 degrees. Your body sees this as mild stress and activates protective mechanisms. Endorphin production increases, those feel-good hormones. Your metabolism gets a boost, and toxins are actively eliminated through sweat. If you're into fitness, you know how crucial the recovery phase is. After a workout, muscles are tired and lactic acid builds up. This is when they need the chance to fully relax. The sauna speeds up this process. Heat improves blood flow, which means your muscles receive more oxygen. This reduces the risk of injuries, lowers inflammation, and helps you recover faster after intense training. It's no coincidence that many professional athletes make sauna sessions a part of their routine.